Boys and girls, today we would like to draw a balloon dog after Jeff Koons. Jeff Koons was born in America in 1955, and he made many balloon dog sculptures from 1993. In 2013, his 10-foot tall balloon dog in orange color was sold for $58.4 million. It was a new record for the most expensive work ever sold at auction by a living artist. For this drawing, you will need crayons, a pencil, a black marker, and a piece of paper. Draw an oval in the middle. Draw the tail, draw the leg, draw the neck and draw the feet, front leg, the ear and the face, and little tail and little mouth. Draw a horizontal line for the background. Add some buildings by using rectangles, triangles, and squares. Use a marker and highlight it over the pencil drawing lines. Pick a color that you like. Color inside of the oval, in the middle, very lightly. Do not press your crayon too hard. Press it very gently. That way you can create a light value. Once you're done creating a light value inside of those oval shapes, this time press your crayon a little harder to create a darker value. Do that under part of the oval shape, okay? So the top part of the oval is white. As you can see, you have white, light value, and dark value in each oval shape, and it will create dimensions. Once you're done with your balloon dog, you can color your background. I cannot wait to see yours.